Alright, so this is going to be an unboxing video for the VAS 6154B interface. So I purchased this from Snap-on directly. From my understanding, Snap-on is a official distributor for this interface. There was a hefty price tag of about $1,800 US. Now the 54A has superseded to 54B, and I'm going to show you the difference in a moment. And I'm going to be using this primarily for Volkswagen and Audi on the Otis software. From my understanding, it does work with other vehicle lines as Bentley, Skoda, I even think Lamborghini as well. So we start off with our interface, and here's our part numbers. We have VAS 6154A, and on the back there's a B mini connector, and here is our wireless module. You will need a wireless LAN to configure this, and this just plugs in back of the interface. They also give you serial numbers and a MAC address for the wireless module. Okay, so here's the wired connection. We have a Fisher type connection. This is the difference in cable from the 54A kit. And I'm going to show you the instructions and sheet they gave me in a second. And this end obviously connects into the interface here. Alright, so they call this the 4B cable. And if you have a VAS 6150F laptop, this will connect directly in there. If you have any of the other 4 laptops, you will still need a connection, separate cable, which is 652011. Now, I'm assuming your other options of connecting or using this wired connection could possibly be a Panasonic Toughbook. I have heard of some of the older Volkswagen interfaces working with a Panasonic Toughbook as long as you have a Fisher connection. However, I can't be for sure. Now, I did see on the internet there was an adapter to go from a Fisher type connection to a USB-A type connection, specifically made for Volkswagen Audi. And I'm not sure if this is going to work, but this is something to keep in mind. Now there is going to be a lot of configuration and setup, not only for the wireless module, but I believe for the interface itself. And I'm going to leave a link to the instruction manuals and setup for this entire kit, which is probably in about a couple different languages. So one other thing I failed to mention, if you're looking to configure this Wi-Fi cap, you will have to make 2 separate purchases, one being a docking station and another being a USB cable. Now the docking station right now looks like it's out of stock. It goes for about $100. Cable maybe about another 20. I believe that's out of stock too.